Hello everyone and welcome back to Ligem classes. And once again we are going to solve some MCQs on modern history. So in this video we are going to solve the MCQ on Anglo-Afghan War. So there are just 5 MCQs but these questions are really important for exams like RRB. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, that's pretty much obvious. We have to visit ligem.com. So this is the website ligem.com and just click on RRB General Awareness and go to the English medium. Okay, so in the English medium, you will find all the lectures for polity, history, economics, geography, and all those things. Let it load. Okay. Yes, we have polity, history, geography, science, and economy. So we are going to history and just click on modern history. Okay, so this is the modern history page. And as you can see, we do have a ton of chapters. There are around 32 chapters, 32 excellent chapters. So what we are going to do here is we are going to select one particular chapter. Okay, so that is chapter 4, Rise of East India Company. Now this chapter has many lessons. For example, we have this chapter 2. We have around 7 lessons. Okay, in a particular chapter there are many lessons. We have 7 lessons in chapter 2. Similarly, at this point this is not updated, that is why I'm not showing. In chapter 4 there are around 10 chapters. So one of the chapters is Anglo-Afghan War. So let us solve some MCQs on Anglo-Afghan War. Okay, so this is the MCQ page for Anglo-Afghan War quiz. So we have the first question. When did the first Afghan War begin? Now, in case of Indian history, they always talk about Anglo-Afghan War as just Afghan War. Okay, so the correct answer is 1839. Okay, so the first Anglo-Afghan War, or simply put, the first Afghan War was fought from 1839. Who was the puppet ruler of Afghanistan supported by British? So the person was Shah Shuja. So this guy was supported by the Britishers and eventually he was killed by his own people in Afghanistan. So the correct answer is Shah Shuja, the ruler of Afghanistan during the first Afghan War. So during the first Anglo-Afghan War, the ruler was Dost Muhammad. He was actually defeated by the Britishers, but due to the people of Afghanistan, he again came back to power and overthrew the British. And the imposter, that was the Shah Shuja, who was supported by who was just propped up by the Britishers, was eventually defeated and executed by the public. So the correct answer is Dost Muhammad. The first Afghan war was started by this governor general. So this was the adventure of Lord Auckland. He was the one behind this nonsense, the first Afghan war, and one of the reason was because of Russia. But for exams like RRB, you don't have to get into much details like why the Afghan war started, or it is actually very complicated. It's like it is known as the Great Game, okay, Great Game or the Game of Shadows. So it is not really important for RRB. Just know that the first Afghan war was started by Lord Auckland. So the correct answer is Lord Auckland. The treaty ended the second Afghan war. So the Treaty of Gandamak, okay, it was the Treaty of Gandamak which ended the second Afghan war. So the correct answer is option C, the Treaty of Gandamak. So we have solved 5 MCQs. So let's have a look how many of them are correct. So let me just click on finish. 5 after 5. Excellent. So our answers are all correct. So this is all about Anglo-Afghan War. Let's solve more MCQs on different lessons.